family.
We invite you to use the hashtag 10man tag, 10man tag, to get involved on social media.
John, I cannot remember when I've been more excited about a main event here on Friday Night SmackDown. No wonder we're number one every week.
Even with Tom here, we're still number one. And how can we not be with something like this?
What a
tag match. It's a spectacle.
What a matchup made by the COO Triple H. Well, here we go, Mr. Money in the Bank, Seth Rollins to start things off against Big Show on the WWE.
This can hurt. Oh, I'm so glad I'm retired. He once chokeslammed me through a ring.
Well, that's because he called him Shrek.
He called me dog.
The tag to the world's strongest man, Mark Henry.
He made news.
And Rusev tonight, Night of Champions, it's going to be Mark Henry against Rusev.
Yeah, Mark Henry fired up. He says he's going to put Rusev in the international wing of the Hall of Pain. Little junkyard dog in him there.
400
I had a
pounds.
few disparaging things to say about the lovely Miss Lana.
Monday Night on Raw, that Big Show understood what Mark Henry had to do. Said he'd be in his corner no matter what. Seeing that here tonight.
Great tag team these two have developed into, Big Show and Mark Henry.
Oh, it's Seth Rollins.
How can he not be a great tag team? You're the world's largest athlete, the world's largest Olympian, all on one side of the ring.
Look at this.
It's a long way down, Seth.
Rollins manages to evade and into the corner the tag to the monster Bray Wyatt.
Yeah, this whack job's got his work cut out for him on the season premiere of Monday Night Raw on USA Monday night. Bray Wyatt, Chris Jericho will be locked inside a steel cage.
Not sure what that was. That was just a toss. It was like a half hip toss, half arm drag. That was just a giant, I'm going to throw you.
When you're Big Show, you can do whatever you want, John.
How about what Bray Wyatt said Monday night on Raw? It's time for Chris Jericho to pay for his sins.
And now Rowan and Big Show, these guys have had some collisions over the past few weeks.
Jericho and Bray Wyatt have had quite the battles. They're about to finish it off in a cage on Monday night. Look at this!
Big Show, the sunset flip.
Oh!
Kick out.
I tell you, Big Show has never looked this good.
That's the galaxy flip.
Oh!
My God, that's a flying bus.
Max Rock.
He hit him with that size 28 head.
Come on. 28. His boot is size 22.5E. I tried out his ring once. It went over 3 of my fingers.
What you do is you just kill a cow and put it on his foot. That's what you do.
You're right.
Tag made. Back in comes Mark Henry. And guys, we said the tag match on Raw between Big Show, Mark Henry, and the Wyatts. Over 1,400 pounds of humanity in that match. There's over 3,000 pounds of humanity in this one.
Cena, Reigns, and Jericho are yet to get involved in this matchup because Henry and Big Show are having fun with these guys.
And I think those 3 guys are enjoying it as well. Everybody's enjoying it right now except for Rowan.
How fired up was John Cena tonight, and here comes Chris Jericho.
Comes Y2J.
Jericho feeling it from the WWE Universe. We're just getting started here on SmackDown in our main event. Oh, welcome back to SmackDown. And
They need to ban that is what they need to do.
Our 10-man tag team main event here continues.
Yeah, Corporate Kane, who's had some battles with Big Show over the years.
Big Show's been in the ring for a long time for his team, but guys, you keep saying he looks really fresh. Oh, man, but there's Kane taking out the knee of the Big Show. Look. Kane looks like made the tag there to Bray Wyatt. Now Bray Wyatt back into the match.
This matchup came about when John Cena kicked off Friday Night SmackDown tonight. He was confronted by Rollins and Kane. Out came Rowan.